Welcome to an exciting guide on how to record IPTV on your Amazon Fire Stick. First, let's talk about an exceptional IPTV provider, 2TV.store, with the accessible customer support by Nancy. Find the link in the description. Ready to set up? Let's dive into recording IPTV on the Fire Stick. Begin by ensuring your Fire Stick is properly plugged into your television. Let's configure your device for seamless viewing now. With your Fire Stick link, navigate to the settings menu using your remote. Locate the option for developer options to enable apps from unknown sources. This setup is essential for the process. Next, install the downloader application from the Fire Stick store, crucial for acquiring necessary software. Downloader helps you fetch and install APKs, allowing smooth recording of IPTV content. Using Downloader, access and install your preferred IPTV recording software. Choose sources wisely to protect your device. This enables those endless recording possibilities you've imagined. Now your Fire Stick supports IPTV recording. Enhance your viewing experience by capturing shows effortlessly. Remember, 2TV.store provides top-notch services, and Nancy is there to support you.